Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things hair care and beauty. Today, we're tackling a common concern: thin hair. But fear not, we've got a powerful solution that's natural, effective, and super easy to make at home. We're talking about our DIY vitamin E oil and aloe vera hair growth serum. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our hair care tips and tricks. So, let's talk about why this combo works wonders for thin hair. Vitamin E oil is renowned for its antioxidant properties, which promote hair growth and improve scalp health. And aloe vera gel, well, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that nourish and strengthen hair follicles. Now, let's get mixing. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mixing it with 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. You can adjust the quantities based on your hair length and thickness. Once you've got your serum ready, it's time to apply it. Part your hair into sections and massage the serum into your scalp gently. Be sure to cover all areas thoroughly. Now, leave the serum on for about 30 minutes to an hour. This gives the ingredients enough time to penetrate the scalp and work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your hair with lukewarm water. You can follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner routine if desired. And voila, you're all set. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for best results. And watch as your hair transforms from thin and lifeless to thick and luscious. Thanks for tuning in, beauties. If you give this DIY serum a try, let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay fabulous.